Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. Topic is the algebra. The question is in which there are three equations is given: AB equals to 35, BC equals to 56 and CA equals to 40. And we need to find the value of this variables A, B, C. A, B, C are the variables here. So we will find this variable. Okay, so we will solve by the algebraically methods. So in an algebra we need to, there are so many different methods. Sometimes we will add the equation, sometimes we will multiply the equation, sometimes we will subtract the equation. So here from the very first we will multiply these three equations. So multiply equation number 1, 2 and 3. So left hand side multiply first and right hand side it is also multiply. Now you can see this A and A square, and this B and B is the B square, and this C and C is the C square. And you can see here 35. Can we write this? 35 is 5 into 7, and this 56 we will write 7 into 8, and this 40 we will write 5 into 8. Overall here 35, 56, 40 we will write these three numbers in the form of the product of 5, 7 and 8. 35, there is the only 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is the 35, and 56 we will write 7 into 8, and 40 is 5 into 8. So focus on 5, 7 and 8 only numbers. Okay, so same the situation, the left hand side situation is the square form. So you can create the right hand side equation also situation in the form of the square. So 5 into 5 is the 5 square, and 7 into 7 is the 7 square, and 8 into 8 is the 8 square. And left hand side A square, B square and C square. Now you can observe that the left hand side and right hand side, the patterns are same. Now what will you do in the after that? First of all, this square we will write in the whole form: A square, B square, C square. So can we write this ABC whole square, and here 5 into 7 into 8 whole square. Okay, now taking square root both side. So what will you get in the next step? See, 5, 7, 8 whole square. Okay, whenever the square root is applied both the side, so there will be two sign, plus and minus. Okay, everybody knows this concept. And this square is cut out this square root, so here remaining is plus minus 5 into 7 into 8, and this square is also cut this square root, and here is the ABC. So again I am telling, whenever the square root is here and inside is this square, so this square is cut out this square root, and this square is cut out this square root. So ABC equals to plus minus 5, 7, 8. Now this is the equation number 4. We will assume this equation number 4, and there are 1, 2, 3 equation already in the given part. Okay, after that you can see ABC equals to plus minus 5, 7, 8. Now divide the equation 4 by 1. This is the equation number 4. So divide equation 4 by 1. So this is your equation number 4. ABC equals to plus minus 5, 7, 8. So it will be divided by the equation number 1, AB, and here the 35. A cancel, B cancel. 5, 7 ja 35, 7, 7 cancel out. So now you can see the left hand side is C is remaining, and the right hand side is plus minus 8. Now you can see the C value is plus minus 8. Now we have done for the value of C. Now A and B. Now put the value of this C in any equation. Suppose we will put this value here in this equation second from 2. From equation number 2. So from equation number 2, BC equals to 56, C value is plus minus 8 equals to 56. So B value is 56 upon plus minus 8. This 8 is cancel out this 56 7 times. So B value is plus minus 7. So we got the value of B also. Now put the value of this B from equation number 1. From equation 1, put the value of B here. Equation number 1 says AB equals to 35. So B value is plus minus 7. B value is plus minus 7. So A equals to this 7 goes to divide form. So 7 5 ja 35. So it will be plus minus 5. So the A value is plus minus 5 and B value is plus minus 7 and C value is plus minus 8. So this is our final answer. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.